Hello, welcome to Chapter 4, Implementation of the Concepts. This chapter has about 15 pages, and I will give you an overview over some of the interesting items and hope to make you curious to read my wiki. The address of the wiki you find in my channel. Let's do first things first, the basic IT concept. The basic concept, I make a distinction between a conventional electric installation and using a bus system. A bus system like KNX. KNX is a European system, also used in China, I learned. And here you don't connect the switch with the light. Everything is connected via a bus system, and that is hardwired. This bus system you can connect to your smart home, and then you have immediate access to a lot of standard devices from different companies. After that basic decision, conventional or bus system, you have the following options. You buy smart products off the shelf only from one specific ecosystem. Or you connect the products from different brands with apps like Home Connect, SmartThings, etc. The next option is to use the software for smart homes from Apple, Google, Home Assistant or others. And the most sophisticated option is to program your own software to run the smart home. For me, I'm in B number 3 with my own software code, which is 8,000 lines of Python code. Here I go through the pros and cons in the consideration. Of course, if you have a home with conventional installation, you will not update this, most likely to a bus system. But if you're in front of redecorating your house, you may consider that. It has a lot of advantages. So that's about the basic IT concept. Here I share my connectivity landscape. You see here, bottom left, the KNX bus, which is connected to my software with a interface. You see the Raspberry Pis I'm using are connected. I'm having connected the Echo with voice commands and with routines from Amazon. That is connected. Then I have some smart devices off the shelf, and they are connected to my smart home center via if this then that and Home Assistant. So that's my connectivity. Here you see all the extensions I'm using on the Raspberry Pis to measure things and to switch on or off power of a device and things like this. What else is interesting? I'm monitoring my refrigerators with a Raspberry Pi, and I show you how that is done. And as you have seen, I stay on a generic level. I don't go into specific devices of specific companies. There's so much information available on the internet which helps us. I don't want to compete with that. I explain the how to do it in general and give hints what to consider and how to do it. My apartment door is smart. It's a conventional door. I made it smart with some sensors and an actuator, electric motor, to move this security bar. And how I've done that, I explain in here. Monitoring machines. Here I have the general way how I do that, how I analyze the power consumption of a machine and which state I'm observing. So it starts with 0 off, 1 is on, 2 is wait, and then it falls back, drops back to 0 again. I again explain why I'm doing it like this, what are the advantages and the experience, and here I also list some parameters as an example. So that is the chapter implementation of the concepts. Hope I made you a little bit curious. to dig deeper into those pages. And then the next chapter is the scripts, script like for a movie. What is going on in my different rooms to show you, to give you an understanding of the smart functions in real life. Thank you.